This is a clinometer, and this is used to measure the height of tall things like flagpoles or the Washington Monument or whatever. In order to use this, you have to look through here, and you'll see like a bunch of measurements stuff as you look up or down. Sorry, the camera keeps moving. I'm gonna use the top of that clock for example, and I'm gonna show you what the measurement is of the top of that clock, like how tall that clock is. So sitting right here, the clock is looks to be about 11 feet off the ground right now. So from here, the clinometer says the top of that clock is about 25 plus degrees. Let's see what it says from all the way down here. So from down here, it says the top of that clock is about 20 plus degrees.
Okay, there's some great advanced mathematical equations that can be used. They come to us from a form of mathematics known as trigonometry. And one of these functions is the tangent function. And the tangent equation is shown here, and it tells us that if we know an angle of a right triangle and we know either the adjacent side to that angle or the opposite side is shown over here on the right, then we can calculate either the adjacent or the opposite side that we don't know. So I was able to use the clinometer to calculate or to find the angle of this right triangle, and I found it to be 25 degrees. I was also able to easily, with a tape measure, measure the distance of the adjacent side is shown here in the right side of my board. And I found that measurement to be 140 inches. Now, using this simple trigonometric equation, I can calculate the tangent of 25 degrees equals the opposite side divided by 140 inches. Now I need to rearrange my equation in order to get the opposite side all by itself. So I do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by 140 inches. When I do this, I find that 140 inches times the tangent of 25 degrees equals 65.28 inches, which is the opposite side. This would be the height of my triangle from where I took my measurement of 25 degrees.